Good morning, happy Sunday to me and to you guys. If I don't know when you're gonna watch this, but I'm actually up and early and ready to do some Christmas shopping with my brother, which he's right here. So I'm about to step out and let's get it rolling. It's so beautiful. Happy Sunday. We are ready to do some Christmas shopping with someone next to me. Hey, are we ready? How cute is this? So adorable. Is this your new man?
Maybe.
Yeah.
He's already with me through the thick and thin.
Alright, wrapping paper. This was my theme, that little farmhouse neutral, so I think I'm definitely gonna take this one. These little boxes for gift cards are super cute, and don't sell yourself, Mariela. Love it. Very cute. What else do we have? We have other ones in here. No. Also looking for like tissue. Yes, this is actually nice. I love the silver and gold, but I think this would be better. It's still white with some metallic touch, which definitely this one. And I'm looking for wrapping paper that is like a neutral shade. I got this one, which it's cute. Maybe she's a little too dark. I don't know if I should go for white, off-white, or maybe something a little bit lighter than this shade. I'm about to find out. Let's see. If I would have it like maybe that, but I don't want green in it. What we got here? Cute.
Good morning.
There's something white. Nah. Gotta still look for more. Good morning, my loves. It is another day at Mariela's world right now. I woke up a little early trying to edit a video, and it's right over there. Yeah, right there. This is a video that I was supposed to upload last week. I know I didn't upload anything, so we're trying to work on that. I like to wake up a little early just because I wanna Mariela. I spilled a little bit of my tea on my... Of course. I gotta start my day with my tecito. And of course, spilling it a little bit while you can. So, let me take a sip. Good, better. And try to get things done in here because next week is already Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. And I gotta get stuff really rolling and getting it ready. I'm gonna show you what I've been up to. I tried to vlog this past weekend. I went to do some Christmas shopping with my brother, also getting up super early, but I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna show you what has been going on and what I'm planning to do between today, if not this week, which is wrapping some presents. I wanted to go again with the theme, you know, and you know, just little things here and there. I still have to work on my Christmas list. I have a couple more people that I have to give some gifts, obviously, and I'm also planning maybe is to do another video. I just don't know what though. I feel like I have so many ideas and then I'm like, I have to write it down, but at least I want to upload this video. But let me show you and turn my camera all around so you guys can see what I'm working with. Hi, Christmas tree. Here are some of the stuff that I did for my makeup haul that I did last week, and this is some things that I really want to sell that I don't want. I put it on my Facebook. This is literally a brand new pair of heels that I apparently spent $90 on it, and I never used it. And my Boohoo stuff that is all black, if you guys want to let me know. And then I have right here, voila, I got this basket just because, as you guys can see, you know, every time I'm lounging here, which was yesterday basically, I like to put things and hide it away. So this way, if I put all my blankies in here, it will be nice. I like the fact that it has also the handle, and it has the little lid so you can cover it. Got this at Home Goods, and it was $29.99. And I already put one blanket over there. We just took it out last night because we were just watching some TV. And last but not least, we have here, excuse all the mess, this is what I went for. And I did another one right here. And then something that I bought for myself at, is that Marshall's? Yeah, it is Marshall's. It's Marshall's and Home Goods 2-in-1, which is amazing. I also got this little loungewear set, which I had to have some black, of course. I tried it on yesterday and I really like it a lot. It's so comfy, has pockets, it covers my booty. It's long enough, super comfy, $16.99. And then, yeah, same price as the pants. I also got the tissue paper with a little touch of gold metallic. And I also bought this, which I thought it was super cute. Again, going with the theme. But I got these in case I'm gonna do little, you know, gift cards and whatnot, so I can put them. Yesterday I did go to my dollar store because I wanted a ribbon, so this is the one that I went for. So nice, it's a nice pop of color, white and gold. So I got a bunch of those. I got more gift cards. Yeah, I got actually a lot of them for some reason, just in case, because I don't want to go back and forth. And this is what I got on Cyber Monday from Bath and Body Works. I got a bunch of stuff from some, you know, co-workers. Actually, no, I got a lot of stuff. Some of the stuff for myself, for my bathroom. Midnight Blue Citrus. Oh, I want to try this one, Snowy Peach Berry. Anything that's peachy, I'm like, yes. I got some candles for myself as well. And what is this? Midnight Blue Citrus. And I got some gifts as well for some people that I need to wrap it up. And here's TJ Maxx. Literally, that's how my living room is looking right now. It's crazy. This is stuff that I ordered from Amazon. Again, gifts. I love fairy lights. I initially had it here in my living room, but I moved it to my bedroom. And I saw this one. The one that I purchased for here was in Amazon, and it's not available at this moment. But I went for this one. It's cascading LED lighting, 10 feet. So we shall see how this is gonna look like. And this was a TJ Maxx for $16.99. And I also got these lightings as well. I got actually 3. Let me show you. So I got, and I like that you can actually see it, the Try Me. It's so pretty. So I got 2 boxes that are 20 feet, and then I got this one that is 10 feet. If you want to know how much it is, $5.99, and then this one was $7.99. So what I want to do, and I don't think I've ever showed you guys, but I really wanted to put lights on these shelves, you know, just to add a little more light in here. That's my brother. And oh, that's another gift right there. Oh, I fell in love with him. And I know my mom gave this to me on the first time that I moved out. So I just hold it because, you know, it's memories and it's special. My Morphe mug, coffee mug, and he's right there. Yes, we just have our printer right there. This is so unique. Don't ask me why, but I loved it. So expensive. I also got it at Marshall's Home Goods. So long story short, this actually I got that from the dollar store, but I wanted to put lighting, so we'll see how that's gonna work out. And the more light the better. If not, I would put it in the hot messy corner over there that I need to organize, which is at my bar cart right there. If we can zoom in. Let's go to the kitchen and my tea and really show you what I'm working with here. It is so messy. I don't have a dishwasher. Someone loves to cook but doesn't love to wash the dishes. So this is where I come in, because this like, no. This little plant right here, my mom gave it to me. It started with literally like, it was this small. That's how small it was, and it's slowly growing and growing, which I love, and I managed to keep it alive. Let's just be positive. It's so pretty. I want to put other things here. Initially I had cilantro and parsley that my friend gave it to me, and I managed to kill it. And love this. I'm not good with names of flowers and whatnot, but my brother surprised me Sunday morning when we went Christmas shopping, and she's like, here you go, and I'm like, oh, she's so pretty. So she is hanging in there getting some literally vitamin D. And yeah, let's get this cracking. Let's organize this so we can continue our day. Doing dishes because I wanted to change and stop using a sponge, so I went ahead and I got this little dish dispenser. It's a brush set with a bamboo brush set to begin with. As I was washing the dishes, it spilled even more, like all the grease is all over. I must be probably like the messiest person to do dishes, but like damn, not only I am hella messy, I wet myself, that sounds horrible. I did a boo-boo with the tea. I spilled some tea, and I just had to like spray my OxyClean because it's everywhere. I'm like, you had one job, and that was to wash the dishes, not to literally ruin your hoodie, which I did. Looks like it. Hopefully, you know, I don't know how I feel about this. I think I'm gonna give it a try. If any of you guys, first of all, has it happened to you, because am I the only messy one? Maybe I am. If you guys know a good stain remover that I can buy, that would be amazing, because I do this every time. I mean, let alone not doing dishes. I'm very clumsy with my stuff, and I easily get stains with food or drinks right away. So if you know a good product that I can buy, please let me know down below. So, you know, girl needs your help right now, so please rescue me. But if not, I don't know. It was everywhere, and I didn't like that. If anything, I'm gonna have to go back to a sponge. It did a good job, I just didn't like how it ruined it. Now all we need to do is clean all of this, and yeah, we'll be set. Hello guys. It's been such a crazy week with work that I haven't even had a chance to really vlog a little bit more, but this is literally the end of this week almost. One more day. It feels like tomorrow is Sunday, but it's only Friday night. Actually, it's 2 in the morning. I wanted to show you guys this look. We had a makeup theme today at work, which was a gingerbread look, and I kind of came up with this gingerbread. That's a gingerbread house. I did good with wrapping some presents, but I went to buy more stuff. I wanted to take you guys to ULTA, but I just got out of work, so I just wanted to get things done. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and enjoy this vlog, and until the next time, I will be seeing you on the next one.